Hello, I'm Bran, and I'm obsessed with Japanese stationery and high school baseball, and for my birthday I decided to buy myself a gift. Let's see what I bought. Alright, we have books, more books. I bought some missing volumes from my collection of Ookiku Furikabutte. All of them are foil. Yay! Look at my precious boys. Nishihiro and Mizutani. Only one can remain on the team. They're playing Sakitama here. I shall dive into those volumes later. It's gonna be intense. I also bought this thing. It's a comic guide for Oofuri, and inside I expect all the stuff that's been... Oh, illustrations, oh my god. It's so funny because I used to track down some of them on the internet. So precious. And you see there's all the data that you could read, like here. Never mind. My excitement levels are starting to go off the chart. So we have some colored pages and then some extra data. Wow! For the characters. That's so cool. Musashi no Daiichi High School. The boy. That looks so cool. It should be easy to read, I think. Oh my god. Oh, I'm going to enjoy this. Wow, scoreboards. That's so fun. Look at this precious face. Oh, you can follow Mihashi's growth. That's so cool. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm thinking about making a stream, live stream, where I'll be just going through those books and gushing. How about that? Oh, the pictures together are so cool. What is this? Alright, because I'm a professional YouTuber, my battery just died and I'm not sure when it has cut off, but home run highlights. I've been going through this book and oh my god, this, oh my god, that. Are there the families? Oh my god. I'm not sure who this person is, but we'll figure it out. Oh my god, what are those? The raw manga, oh my god, look at the manuscripts. You can see. So cool. We've been... some notes. Oh my god, that's so cool. Like the sound effects are added separately, it seems, on the tracing paper. We've been to the Oofuri exhibition, right, in Saitama in 2019 with the best Oofuri fam, the best girls. I'm so lucky we got to meet. I'm dying, guys. The scans. This manga is just so great. Please, it's so underrated. Come on, please read Oofuri. I'm begging you. I mean, this is gold. This book wasn't so highly rated on Amazon, but I have no idea what's not there to love. This is like the best birthday present in itself. Wow! Beyond my expectations. This is so fun. Da, 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 da. Check this out. Complete Blu-ray disc box. I mean, for all those years, my sources weren't exactly 100% legal. But since I'm touting to be such an Oofuri fan, it is time, my dudes. It is time to put my money where my mouth is. I mean, if this makes season 3 come any sooner. I'm struggling so hard. I mean, the paper is so white, it's not plastic underneath, so if my hands are dirty, I'm going to regret it. So cool. I mean, I wanted to film this unboxing because I've never seen the insides of this box anywhere else. If you look at the Amazon listing, it's just this picture, right? Let's go, guys. Cute. Why are the characters just listed here? This looks so cool. It's a brand new artwork for this. Neat. The box is really nice. Don't ask me how much it cost, please. Right. So right here you have the battery and the artwork we know and love. Yeah, please. Fall. Just get ruined right away. It's the jersey numbers. That looks so great. If you look closely, there are like folds on the shirt. This is the first season, right? It ends with the Haruna extra episode. Alright, and the next box should be... Oh, precious bubbles. The next box should be season 2. Right. It doesn't have extra credits, just this artwork. It's right in front of the school gate. Been there, seen that. I mean, right. The artwork is so high quality. I mean, this looks great, really. Wow, and this is the cover that the Seiyu event has, and also our glorious Scanlation team. Disc 7 is original soundtrack, that's cool. And the disc 9 is the special omake that Yonaga Nakamura and Taniyama-san did for this special release. This is interesting. They posted on the website a short fragment of it, and it was so amusing. Booklet, cute. We have our ace. Boys with the screenshots. I just cannot get over this picture of Mizutani. He's such a pretty boy. Please notice him, Chio. So, we have Chio and Momoe. The mystery boy. Oh. We have an interview. I'm going to read it and post all the trivia I can get. Nakamura hasn't aged a day. That's basically them. Oh, this time Yonaga is ready to fight back. And we have episode list for season 1 and 2. Spoilers. Please watch Oofuri. This is so glorious. Right. So first I'm probably going to check out the extras. I feel so complete right now. I caught up with manga and now this glorious collection. Man! And this book. Yeah, super excited for that. So that's my haul for Oofuri. Please look forward to detailed videos. I mean, if you want to see it, that would be great if you let me know in the comments or somewhere on social media. Yeah, I'll just gush about it more with my crappy English. Who cares, right? The next part is stationery. If you're curious, you're welcome to watch. That's all for now. Thank you for looking at Oofuri with me and my stationery and everything I bought. please catch me on social media and let's gush about Oofuri. Let's make season 3 happen. I don't know how, just let's do this, guys.